Well, hey everybody, hey, this is a quick review. Welcome back to the Grand Shamrock Tour, and it's a review of my new Nelson-Rigg Trails End Adventure saddlebags. And I have to tell you, I've had the opportunity now to put close to 1,000 miles on these bags, which means that I've been able to do things that I haven't been able to do since I got the Transalp, which is carry the tools and the needs and all the essential stuff that everybody needs for a ride. Why did I choose the Trails End soft luggage? Well, there's a lot of reasons, and you just saw one of them. They remove really quickly, and they're super easy to lug around when you're done riding. But they hold everything that I needed. They hold everything. They're really easy to access when you're out on the trail to get in and out of the bag quick and easy. And I haven't had any compromise with dust or dirt or anything. And I've been in all of those conditions, so that's really helpful. If I was to say that there are things that you like and dislike about these bags, the only thing that's a drawback to any kind of a luggage container or whatever it is, the access points, and then how it secures and attaches. Once you attach these to the rig, the plates, the quick release mounting plates, it's a piece of cake, because once they're attached to that plate, then you never have to do anything but, like I said, right here, just this, click, release, bags are off. And so that's a real advantage. And I'm not worried about them coming off. They actually lock down exceptionally well. So they're not gonna come off on the trail, that's for doggone sure. But they're lighter, they are very easy to access. Pretty pleased right now with the way they are, and the nice thing is they don't. I'm not getting any kind of wind resistance or anything, which I actually got on my hard bags better. And I don't think it has anything to do with that. I think it has more to do with the bike itself. But I would encourage everyone to check out Nelson-Rigg for not just this product line, the Trails End Adventure saddlebags and their associated gear, but depending on what kind of ride you have, whatever kind of bike, a cruiser or a sport bike or whatever, Nelson-Rigg has something for you. They really have a quality line of motorcycle accessories and gear and clothing, and I'm telling you right now, the way I discovered them is the best way to discover them, and that is you bought something, it met its need. Our covers are well, the Extreme Defender covers, and man, they keep the bikes looking great. So they're lifetime guaranteed. So check out their website. They've done really good by us, because they give you guys a discount. If you use Shamrock, you get a 25% of free shipping on any order over $50, and pretty much you're going to spend $50 once you get there. So it's a great way of saving some money. It's a great way of solving some of your needs. I mean, if you're out there on the road, if you're a motorcyclist and you're out there in the environment that we all experience, man, you want to make sure that it's a good experience. And so they've solved some of those problems for you. So I would encourage you, check them out. I really liked them. This is my third set of bags from Nelson-Rigg, and not a single one wore out, not a single one failed. It's just that I keep buying bikes, and when you buy bikes, you got to buy new stuff. That being said, I want to thank you for checking us out, for listening to this review, because that is the one thing that has been really helpful for us, is you guys out there engaging with us, checking out what we're doing. And so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and we'd appreciate you subscribing to the channel, because that's how we are going to be able to inspire more people, reach out to more people, and connect with you guys, the people we love, motorcyclists. And on that note, I want you to travel safe. I'm looking forward to seeing you out on the road.